What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be wrapping the downpipes with some heat wrap. Let's see. Here it is right here. I did this one already last night. That is some itchy stuff. Itchy. So with this one that I wrapped last night, you could see I pretty much finished it. I used the clamps that they gave me with the Amazon kit. They suck. So I went to the hardware store and bought some actual hose clamps. So we're gonna go ahead and clamp them on there. I'm thinking four for each downpipe. Before we continue on though, the instructions, right, here's the M6. All apart. But the instructions say, there's the instructions, but the one that I'm listening to is, it is recommended to soak wrap in water before install. That, so I don't get all itchy again. So what we're gonna do is take that and put it in this bucket. It is a dirty bucket, I just poured some water in it, but we're gonna take this and soak it right in there. That is, I'm not even kidding you, like the itchiest stuff out there. It's like insulation, but it's some fiber. I think it's fiberglass, but it is itchy. So whatever I can do to help reduce that dust from it before I install it on the other downpipe, I'm gonna do, because it is not fun. And I heard it's easier to install it if it's wet. Kind of just sits on there a little better. But this one, we're gonna put the hose clamps on. I'll probably just hose clamp over the ones that are already on there. You can see I pretty much did the whole pipe. That's where it slides down in there, and then this part connects to the turbo. So we're gonna hose clamp this, and then we're gonna wrap this one, VRSF by the way. We're gonna wrap this downpipe with the heat wrap that's in there after I let it sit in there for a second, let all the fibers get nice and wet. Downpipes connect right down into there. Oh yeah, by the way, piston's gone. Here's the new one that'll be going into the M6 right here. Boom. Not damaged. Looking pretty good. A little dirty on the top, but I mean, look at these, like black. They just need to be cleaned. But yeah, that's gonna fix the problem. It's gonna go right down in there. Got all new parts on the way. I organized all the parts last night. Have them all in bins to where I can easily get to them. Which one has the turbos? These are gonna get wrapped as well. These are the pipes that come in, they go into the turbos out of the head. Those will get wrapped. And then here's the turbos right here. I'm still figuring out how to do those. And I'm also going to heat wrap the cover that goes over the turbos. So you can pretty much see it on top of the motor when it's on there. But I've seen people wrap that. So we're going to do that. And then this is the main thing though. We're going to get these wrapped and get the clamps on it. All right, now that we got 3 on there, we're gonna put 1 more on. I'm thinking probably kind of like midway, right about there. All right, so that one is done. You can see there. Got all those on there. That's just where the O2 sensor goes. That's where the other O2 sensor goes. Yeah, they're all on there. It shouldn't be coming off anytime soon. That's it. We're gonna wrap this one with the wrap. Probably the same way I did the other one. I started on this end and took it up to this end. one is done. They're both done. Both wrapped. Well, as you can see, those are nice and wrapped, ready for installation. As soon as we get this bad boy off the jack stands, get the motor put back together, the pistons put in, one piston put in, we will be able to install the downpipes. Plenty of wrap left. I'll probably do, well, I'm for sure gonna wrap these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get like half that size of wrap, because these are a lot smaller. And it'd be probably easier just to wrap those with a different, smaller wrap, like half that size. And then I'm also gonna be wrapping these turbos. Gonna be wrapping, here they are, valve covers. This. Be wrapping that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get some metal screws and just lay the wrap over it and just screw it in and just layer it all the way across here. Wrap it. Probably be the easiest way to do it. So for the next video,